Okay guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I want go to waterfall sinar tiga in Pesawaran. If you want know about the destination, you must follow me. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, now we still on the way guys. You can look at the scenery on our left. It's still very green. Red is not, but unfortunately the road to this waterfall is still a lot of ugly and very damaged guys. Behind us there are two of our friends. They are very happy with this trip, well enjoying this beauty journey. We are also occasionally talk while talking on our respective speechless. Beside there is a beautiful view on the left of our road. Also there is a very dangerous abyss. Therefore we must be careful so that a thing do not happen that are not desirable. Turning to the right of the road, we can see that there are a lot of the cocoa trees, which are one of the livelihood of residents around here. We can feel that the air here is very cool, even during the day. We don't feel the heat of the sun, so we like to visit here. Although here the road is bad, but we can see that's on the right and on the left. This road decorated with flowers all the way to the destination, and this road is very amazing guys, and it's very extreme. And now we had just arrived in the party. Now we have to walk to the top. Look that board guys, there is written welcome in this location. On this trip we have walked a journey of the 500 meters, and this journey must be very tiring guys. In addition to the cocoa garden, there is also a coffee garden, which is also the livelihood of the resident here. Okay guys, look in front of us. The view of the waterfall is very good. It's not it. What is called the waterfall sinar tiga pesawaran. Okay, hello my friend. My name is Roni Juanta. Here I want to tell you about this place. Okay. Today we will spend our time in waterfall sinar tiga pesawaran. I will show you about this scenery. and I want to ask you. Hello, brother.
Hello.
I want to ask you some questions.
Okay.
What do you think about this place?
I think about the place. This amazing place. It's a beautiful place.
And there is one question again. Where do you know about this place?
I know this place from my friend here, and then I get some information about this place from internet.
So thank you. See you next time. Okay, that's all about my review from this place. Thank you so much. See you next time.